Okay guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Tech RC Mini Drone. The drone has an HD camera for photo and video, Wi-Fi live video that shows everything the camera sees right on your phone in real time and records images and videos straight to your smartphone. The drone also has headless mode, which eliminates the need for focusing on the drone's orientation and makes it much easier to fly. It also has altitude hold, which allows the drone to maintain a consistent altitude. The drone can also do 360-degree flips with the remote control buttons. This is a very easy to fly drone for kids and beginners. You will see my 9-year-old son easily flying it in the video. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, we're going to do an unboxing here of the Tech RC Mini Drone with HD camera Wi-Fi live video quadcopter. This drone can be purchased on Amazon on the link below. Okay, this is from Tech RC, HD video, Wi-Fi real-time, altitude hold, 1 key takeoff, video, picture, 3D flips, headless mode, 2.4 gigahertz, designed for ultimate aerobatic performance. There's the size of my hand. Looks like a nice little drone. Okay, the box says capture HD video. It takes photos. The app is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Tech RC. It comes in blue and red. This is the blue version. And a USB charger is also included, as well as propellers. Here's the back of the box. It says for age 14 plus, HD video, advanced LED system for night flying. Indoor and outdoor flight, includes rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Fly just like the pros. And over here on the left it says 2.4 gigahertz digital radio, Wi-Fi live streaming camera, controls 4 channels, allows multiple units flown in the same vicinity without interference. A little higher.